Right, welcome back everybody. Let's get into the trending topics for the morning now, and we start off with our first trend. Let's have a look and see. CCMA, and this one is going to be quite an interesting one, I have to say. I mean, we're going to be having this conversation in a short while with unions, just to talk about how they feel about this ruling. So the ruling, and this was by Gauteng Commissioner Lungile Machaka, is the first to come to light on the issue of workplace and mandatory vaccine policies. So in a nutshell, I mean, just the ruling was a Gold Rush Group business and training officer, Teresa Mulderi, was appealing against her dismissal for incapacity. She wanted to be either reinstated or fully compensated, but the hearing, they basically said that, you know, it was fair of the company saying that she doesn't want to be vaccinated. It was unsafe for the workplace, and that was what the ruling went on to say. So quite an interesting one, and I know this is going to divide a lot of people.
It is very interesting, and I think what many practitioners, labor practitioners, were saying is that it's been helpful in that it's been instructive, just giving some sort of direction, because we've been mulling over this question for the longest time without any sort of direction as to where this might go. But of course, this is the CCMA. There are still other avenues to be explored, like the Labour Court, and this probably is one that will make its way right up to the Constitutional Court, because I would imagine that there would be organizations that would be willing to take on this case and try and take it to the top, so that we can have once and for all some definitive ruling on this particular matter.
Because it's interesting. I mean, as a country, we don't have a law in place that says, it is compulsory for people to be vaccinated. So, do businesses work differently? I mean, are they able to just bring these laws and dismiss people if they refuse to be vaccinated, or is it not? Is that unfair practice? So it's quite a complicated one. We knew it was coming. We knew this conversation was coming.
It's about rights and rights on both sides, because no right is absolute, and of course also in terms of the sort of work that you do, because I think that also has a bearing on this particular judgment.
Definitely. All right. Well, that is our topic, so we'll talk about that more. Next one, Barack Obama.
Yeah. So Barack Obama, there seems to be quite a lot of talk and sentiment that Barack Obama should be the next is it the Supreme Court Justice for the United States?
Justice Barack Obama.
And people are saying that it would be a great appointment. There is precedent for this. It has happened before in the United States. So this is the talk that people are kind of hoping
excited about this
kind of appointment would happen.
Yeah, all right. So that's Barack Obama. We're just going fast through these ones. And then Melania Trump. This one was, I don't know what happened here, but there was an auction of Melania's big white hat, Melania Trump, the former First Lady. So there was the lot of 3 items put up for auction earlier this month by the former First Lady Melania Trump failed to reach the desired monetary threshold of $250,000 as an opening bid. It didn't get it, and I think it just absolutely didn't even come near that. So everybody talking to and laughing about Melania Trump.
Talking about the Trumps again, post the presidency and what they're doing. But also, it's a beautiful white hat. I'm just not sure how much she was hoping to get for it.
I'm not sure. I want to see how much she did eventually get for it. But no, she didn't get it. A hat auction takes a beating amid a cryptocurrency clash. So I don't know. But that's all the talk about Melania's white big hat.